Operant conditioning. So operant conditioning is an umbrella concept. Behaviours change due to consequences. The law of effect explains why behaviours followed by satisfying outcomes are strengthened, those followed by unpleasant outcomes are weakened. The tools that make operant conditioning work are punishment and reinforcement. So positive reinforcement adds something pleasant and the behaviour increases. Negative reinforcement removes something unpleasant and the behaviour increases. Positive punishment adds something unpleasant and the behaviour decreases, and removes something pleasant in which the behaviour decreases. So the key point is that reinforcement strengthens behaviour and punishment weakens behaviour. How often and when reinforcement is given affects how strongly behaviour is learned and how resistant it is to extinction. So continuous reinforcement means that it's reinforced every time. Partial, so it's reinforced sometimes. Fixed ratio is the reward after a set number of responses. The variable ratio, reward after a variable number of responses. Fixed interval, reward after first response following set time. And the variable interval, reward after first response after each time. Extinction is when reinforcement stops, so the behaviour gradually weakens. It's harder to extinguish under partial schedules, especially the variable ratio. So if you stop giving treats to a dog for sitting, it may quickly reinforced every time. If it was reinforced sometimes, it may be sitting for longer. Shaping is a method of teaching complex behaviour by reinforcing successive approximations. Then there's primary and secondary reinforcement. So primary reinforcers are naturally satisfying, so that's food, water, and comfort. Secondary reinforcement gains power through association with primary reinforcers, so that would be like money, praise, and tokens. So money is a secondary reinforcer, which buys food. Primary reinforcer, or praise, is a secondary reinforcer, which makes kids feel good, so they repeat the behaviour like homework completion. Classical conditioning explains associative learning, linking stimuli to trigger automatic responses. It often interacts with operant conditioning. So putting that all together, classical conditioning, playing a cheerful song by starting homework, the song eventually triggers focus. Or operant conditioning, positive reinforcement, so praise after finishing a task. Negative reinforcement, stop nagging once the homework is done. Positive punishment, stops scold for skipping homework. Negative punishment, remove screen time for not completing tasks. Shaping, reward completing part of the homework first and then the full assignment. Reinforcement schedules, start with continuous reinforcement, move to partial to maintain behavior.